Brain, intellect, and mind. The human brain is the main control center that controls the activity of all the organs in the body. Every action we take takes place according to the commands given to each organ by the brain. Therefore, every organ in the body is connected to the brain. Just as the organs of the body are activated according to the signals given by the brain, at another time the signals given by the organs are converted into waves by the brain and stored in the mind. Imagine for a second that brain is an electric motor. The electric motor has the ability to rotate. But the electric motor does not have rotational power. In order for the motor to rotate, electrical energy must be supplied from the outside. So we can think of the mind as the electricity supplied to the brain. Just as the electric motor cannot rotate without electricity, so the brain cannot benefit without the mind. Focus on a computer to better understand the relationship between the brain, the intellect, and the mind. A computer is a machine. So let's say a computer is like a brain. Software or programs are required to run a computer. If the computer is considered as the brain, then computer programs can be considered as intelligence. Different programs run on each computer. You can install the programs of your choice into the computer according to your needs. The more programs a computer has, the more work it can do. But many computers have different types of programs, but many people do not know how to take advantage of them. When computers are compared to the brain in software intelligence, the mind can be compared to electricity. Just as a computer cannot benefit without electricity, so the brain cannot benefit without a mind. Focusing on the above, it seems that there is a close connection between the brain and the mind. Many psychologists believe that memory is related to the brain. When the body is properly nourished, memory also becomes stronger. As the body weakens, so does memory. This is because the amount of blood supplied to the brain decreases as the body weakens. Then the brain is not functioning properly. Psychologists have found that memory is stored in the subconscious. Many people think that because the memory is stored in the subconscious, it can be passed on to the future. Young children express past psychic phenomena because of the recollection of subconscious things. When people who have been associated with previous beings meet in this state, it is felt that there is a close relationship even though there is no previous acquaintance because the previous memory is stored in the subconscious mind.